Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Alina Ghost and this is Casper in the background with my son Aiden. So Aiden is actually 9 months old and as you know, like, they absolutely love hanging around together. But today isn't about that, although I will be doing more on their relationship very soon. Today it's all around Casper being terrorised by our next door neighbour's cat. So I've tried to get as much footage as possible of this sneaky little cat who is often around, like, on our roof, terrorising Casper, teasing him, being like, oh, I'm on the roof and you can't get me. But he's also running outside, but I'm sure you will get to see everything that I did capture, and I really hope that you think that it's as funny as I do. Hello, скажи привет. Casper basically absolutely loves running after cats. He did manage to catch up to cats before, but luckily for us, he didn't actually do anything with it. He just, actually, I think he was too afraid and didn't understand why the cat wasn't running away from him. So I think it's actually just the chase that he enjoys and not actually, luckily, the capture. So yeah, no, it's a lot of fun. I hope you liked the footage and thanks so much for watching. Casper, what is it? What is Casper doing right now? Well, he's waiting for the cat who isn't on the roof, but he's looking out for the cat just in case he is on the roof. Thanks so much for watching the video. I really hope that you enjoyed the cat and dog chase. Casper being an absolute crazy dog, being terrorised by the next door neighbour's cat. See you next week, guys.